Today, let's make a 2025 vision board for my sewing space. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today we are going to be making a vision board. So while we are into January, you could definitely have this done and have it up before February. The way that I made mine is I used Canva, so I have a free account, and when you go to Canva, you could type in vision boards for their templates. Now, some of these do require you to have a paid account. There'd be a little crown icon if it was something you have to pay for, but others are available for free. So once you find a template that you like, you can hit customize this template, and then it will pull up for you in your little canvas space that you're able to then add whatever pictures. So I've already gone through and added a couple. I really like to take my pictures from Pinterest, so finding different areas on there. And then once I find an image I like, I'm just going to copy that and then paste it into the Canva board, and then you can drag and drop this image into one of the other templates, and that will just replace the image. So then I just keep repeating this process of going through and finding different images. Here I'm just deleting some of them, so it's a little easier for me to know how many pictures I need. But basically just going through Pinterest, either searching for whatever term I want, whatever my goal is. Sometimes if you put like the word aesthetic before whatever the action is, you will be able to get like some very pretty looking pictures as well, just as another way to do it. And then of course you could use other platforms such as Google Images. Basically you just want to find images on however you search for them, and then just keep copying and pasting them into your Canva board to build it out. Once I had my board built out, I then went through and I added a filter to each image just to make it a little bit more cohesive overall and to make it seem like it had like a theme. And then I will say that just something to remember is that all of these images, they do belong to somebody else. So never make one of these boards and then try to sell them just because you don't own the rights to those images. And then once you have the board to your liking, you can go ahead and export that. So mine measured 16 by 20 inches. I exported this as a PNG file, and then I just took that file and uploaded into Shutterfly, but you could use whatever platform you would like to print it out. So here is my 16 by 20 inch poster. I think it took about 5 days to deliver. It wasn't too bad, and Shutterfly has a lot of different coupons and deals going multiple different times. And then I went onto Amazon and got these poster frame set. So it's 2 different frames. I'm going to be using one for some of my watercolor sketches that I've done over the years, and then the other one I'll be using for the vision board. So for these, I will be sure to include a link in the description in case you are interested in them as well. It can be either for that 16 by 20, and then there is a mat that's included if you want to use like a smaller picture. So the way that you use these is just kind of pop off the back. So there's multiple of these little silver brackets. You just want to kind of shift those so you're able to get the back off, and then this allows you to take out the image that it came with. And then there is that matting. So I will not be using this mat as I don't need it. My vision board is the exact size of the frame. But the one thing that was a little tricky is there's like this clear plastic on the plexiglass that you need to remove, and then there's like a film on the front that you also want to remove. And then once you have all of that done, you just put your vision board or whatever else you're going to be putting in your frame. Very simple to how you would do any other frame. So I got that in, and then I just put the back onto this as well. Then I did use a nail to hang these up. So on the wall before, I forgot to do a true before picture, but this is what it looked like. It had all of those little watercolor things on it, so I'm going to remove those, and then this is what it looks like after. So here's my vision board. You can see it has a lot to do with kind of strength training, running, playing the piano, trying to grow YouTube some, and then doing some new things with my sewing. And then the other frame I used for some of these different watercolors that I have done over the years. So a lot of these are different items that I've made, and then there's like a picture associated with it, so it just looks a lot cleaner than before. I hope you enjoyed this quick little idea. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.